You've probably seen the ads. Sleek interface, flashy promises of financial freedom. Neon bank. But is it all glitter and no gold? Let's cut through the hype. Imagine this: you're tired of traditional banks, their endless fees, and the hassle of branches. You crave something simpler, something that fits into your digital life. Enter Neon. But is it the financial savior you've been waiting for, or just another shiny object? Let's break it down. First, what even is a Neon bank? It's a digital-only bank that operates entirely through an app. No branches, no tellers, just you and your smartphone. It promises speed, convenience, and lower fees. Sounds dreamy, right? But is it too good to be true? Let's talk features. Neon boasts a sleek app, instant transfers, and a range of spending tools. You can set budgets, track expenses, and even save automatically. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket. But does it actually help you manage your money better? Or is it just fancy bells and whistles? Then there's the fee structure. Neon claims to be fee-free. But is that really the case? Are there hidden charges lurking in the fine print? And how do Neon's fees compare to traditional banks? Is it really saving you money? Security is another big deal. Your money is involved, after all. Neon claims to have top-notch security measures. But can you really trust your hard-earned cash to a digital-only bank? What happens if something goes wrong? Let's talk customer service. How easy is it to get help when you need it? Are Neon support channels reliable and efficient? Or will you be left hanging when you have a problem? And finally, the big question, is Neon right for you? It depends. Are you tech-savvy and comfortable managing your finances digitally? Do you value convenience over personal interaction? Are you okay with potentially sacrificing some of the features of a traditional bank? We'll dive deep into all these questions and more. We'll compare Neon to traditional banks, highlight its pros and cons, and share real user experiences. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Neon is the right bank for you. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's find out if Neon is the shiny new toy or the real deal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.